ne mem chu Marthi le Marin Iswa kha Lazara kha Athito a khanan athito a pathian hne na khan tidam tur khanan nge na an ring tok lo ani ma se kandal pa Iswa Krista hi eng angpon beidongin rin lo chang po nei chin mai lai eng tiklai mai nat lai ve ngai lo ani pathian ro puinan 4 days late ti na ganon sange The news came to Jesus, please come fast. Lazarus is sick, and without your help, he will not last. Mary and Martha watch their brother die. They waited for Jesus, he did not come, and they wonder why. That watch was over, buried for days. Somebody said he'll soon be here, the Lord's on his way. Martha ran to and then she cried, Lord, if you had alive. But you're 4 days late, and all hope is gone. Lord, we don't understand why you've waited so long, but his way is not not yours or mine. Show me the way. But she said, Lord, you don't understand. It's been 4 days. The gravestones were all back. Then Jesus cried, to the Lord, I need you now, but he's not up here. Friend, don't be discouraged, 'cause he's still the same. He'll soon be here, he'll roll back the stone, and he'll call out your name. He's 4 days late, and all hope is gone. Lord, we don't understand why you waited so long, but his way is not your way, not yours or mine. And isn't it great? But he's 4 days late, he's still on time. Oh, my God is great. When he's 4 days late, he's still on time. Nagparo pe pero se, kalame.